MixedInk is a website where groups of all shapes and sizes can weave their ideas and opinions into a single text, like an op-ed, a mission statement, or an open letter to Congress. It's great that tons of people are now able to express themselves online, but too many of us are speaking at one time. All the people trying to get heard just can't break through the noise. And those trying to hear us, like companies, elected representatives, and the media, can't understand what we're saying. Now, with MixedInk, massive groups can speak with a single voice. Anyone can set up a new topic and invite their group to create a text together. To get involved, you can submit your own version, edit someone else's, and mix and match pieces of different versions to create a new one. Throughout the process, the community rates each submission, and in the end, the top-rated version captures the group's collective viewpoint. So let's say I want to join a topic where people are writing an endorsement for the candidate I support for governor. The Info tab gives an overview of what's going on. The topic is Quimby for governor, and the organizer is a group called Vote Quimby. It looks like the topic will be open for a couple more days, and then the organizer will send the collective endorsement to newspapers to get published. If I click on the top version tab, I can see which endorsement the community thinks is best at this point. The top version will change as people continue to write, remix, and rate, until the end when it's set in stone. Now I'll click on the Browse and Rate tab to see what else people have written. There's a list of all the endorsements people have submitted on the left. When I click on a row, the text shows up on the right. I agree with this endorsement, and it's well written. Also, looks like it has a bunch of co-authors. I'll give it 9 out of 10 stars. By rating, I'm helping to choose which becomes the top version. Now I'd like to create my own endorsement, so I'll switch to the Write and Edit tab and start writing. I can write an endorsement by myself if I want, but part of what makes MixedInk so powerful is that I can take other people's ideas and mix them with my own to create something better. While I type, the site recommends text in the Borrow This Sentence box. It searches all the other endorsements that people have written and finds a sentence related to what I'm writing. I like this one, and I want to put it in my draft. I can drag and drop it in, or just use the Add to Draft button. I can also borrow other people's words in the Browse and Rate tab. I really like the last paragraph of this one. When I mouse over it, I have the option to put it directly into a draft or to save it to the Notes area, in case I want to use it later. I'll add it directly to my draft. When I click back to the Write and Edit tab, the text I just added is now at the bottom of my draft. I could save this endorsement and come back later to do some more editing, but I think it's ready to be published, so I'll click the Submit button. After I submit an endorsement, others can rate it and reuse parts of it. By clicking on the usernames of different co-authors, I can see who wrote which parts of each version. So if something I submit gets used by someone else, I'll get credit as a co-author. Once the deadline passes, the top-rated version is treated as final. It carries a lot of weight because it was created by many people working together democratically. MixedInk uses a Creative Commons license, so text written on the site can be republished anywhere. You just have to give credit to the community that created it. You can join a topic at mixedink.com or start a new one and invite your community to collaborate. It's free. Try it out.